So looking at Gann trading strategy and also using the price and time we use again has been one of the most powerful things that I've used in my own trading career. So when looking at, this is a Gann trading strategy and it utilizes the power of what's called price and time. Now, what is price and time and how does this work? And why is it one of the most powerful things I've learned to help you understand the market and then avoid the danger of getting destroyed, but then know where traders actually thrive. So let me walk you through this. And I'm going to put together everything here about the Gann trading strategy. I'm going to put a meaning like how to actually wrap it around how I trade it utilizing these techniques here. So we're just looking at a bit of a PowerPoint presentation. Here's a bit of a slide that I did on this screen here. And I'm just going to zoom in on this screenshot here. Then I'm going to get to these different charts here, price and time, different things here about that there. And I want to walk you through step by step some of the most foundational things out there in the marketplace. So let me just zoom in on here, and so we can we'll go down to here even more. Right? So let's look at this here. So there are two different types of market phases every trader needs to understand: price phases and also time phases. And once you understand these phases, you wrap it around to a powerful, what I call a Gann trading strategy, and it's something that I've actually put together by utilizing this as well too. Now, here's the thing. A price phase is where traders thrive. So you want to be trading when the price phase is starting in the marketplace here, right? So a price phase is what most traders live for. The market is trending, moving with conviction, and momentum is your friend, right? Going up, right? Especially when you're looking at something like, see this chart here? Look at this here. Boom, 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 right? Going up. Now, here's the thing. Price is making consistent progress, higher highs or higher lows in a clear direction. In this environment, disciplined traders get rewarded and even average traders can look like geniuses. Now, this is where most traders get destroyed because they start to trade in the time phase thinking it's a price phase. Remember, a price phase is more like a strong move up. Now, the time phase. Then the price phase and the time phase begin. This is where real damage happens. A time phase is a consolidation period. The market isn't going anywhere in particular. It's building energy, rotating, and also resetting. These phases can last weeks, even months. And during that time, the market can be brutally volatile, full of false breakouts, fake outs, and even sharp moves in both directions that ultimately go nowhere. So once you understand this here, and this is a bit of a diagram, a really good diagram here of what I'm talking about here. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit more, right? So what do we have through here? We have what? A price phase goes up, and then see how it went sideways? That's a time phase. Then a price phase, and then a time phase, and a price phase, and a time phase, and a price phase. Went up, time phase, and then we had another price phase here. So once we understand that, there are two different phases I look for. Firstly, when I'm looking for a good when we're talking about like the Gann trading strategy, right? What I'm looking for is one, the market to be in a time phase. If we've been in one of these price phases for quite some time, what do you think is likely to happen eventually? We're going to go into what? One of these time phases, right? And when that happens, that's when a lot of traders get chewed up because they think it's likely to keep going. But the market is like, I call this market like think about the market like an energy source as well. When the market's going up like this, it's using a lot of energy, and then suddenly it pauses, right? It pauses. When it pauses like this is what's called a time phase. This is when the market's refueling to go for the next move. We have a move up and we go refueling. Move up, refueling, move up, refueling. So once you understand that, once I understand that about Gann trading, I could actually then see this all about, look at this level here. So once I understood this, I could see that there's different price and time phases. Now here's the thing. A price phase when the market's going up through here, and then something a time phase is what? When the market's going sideways. Now typically what happens, just to keep it really simple here, is the way that I like to use this is whenever this time phase, when the market's going sideways here, when the market starts to break above here after this sideways period, that's when we're typically likely to go for the next move up, right? And here's just another example, but of a long time phase where the market's had a long extended period through there. And this is obviously an example for the downside and another example for the downside. Price and time, price and time. So if I show you this here, price and time, what's called price and time must be balanced in the markets here. So let me show you this here. I'll go take you down to, or I'll take you to the thing called, here we go, right? Price and time. So this is an example of what? This chart here is an example of the power of what I call the L-shaped pattern. Now, I've coined this here the L-shaped trading pattern, but really, the reason why I coined it here, just to make it really simple, I'm looking for the L-shaped trading pattern. But here's the interesting thing, right? What is the L-shaped trading pattern? We've had a price phase coming down. This one's the market's coming down, price phase. And then the market goes sideways. That's a time phase. But then what happens? Then what happens is that when the market starts to break, after we go for a price phase, we've been going sideways here for a couple of months, and then we break it through there. When we break it through there, we're likely to be starting what phase? The next price phase, and then we have moved down. And after a price phase, we end up then what? Pausing again, and then we end up going sideways here again for a while. That's now entering a time phase. And then the market breaks below here again, right? And this is what the market does. The market goes through these different phases all the time. So the number one sort of trading pattern that I'm looking for is, I call it the L-shaped trading pattern, or known as price and time there. So for example here, right? Look at this here. Notice the L-shaped trading pattern. Now notice whenever I get the L-shaped trading pattern, that's a beautiful price and time. Now, look at this here. This is the USD CAD 5-minute chart, but it's any type of time frame, right? Whenever the market's doing this here like that there, it's volatile. There's no clear direction. It's just sideways. But then suddenly what happened here, look at this here. We went down, price, sideways, and I'll introduce this in a minute as well too, but this here's my 52 moving average. 52 moving average. If we can get a drop and a sideways movement to the moving average, this is time. And then look what happened. And then we broke below to start the what? The next price phase. Price and time, price and time, price and time. And this is what the markets do all the time. Here we go. Here's another one here. Down, across. So we have price, time, which is like the L-shaped trading pattern. And then away we go from there to there, right? So I'm always looking for myself, I'm always looking for what's called these, L-shaped trading patterns, right? Here's an example here. Look at this here. Now, what I'm looking for is when I start to really build it into it, I like it whenever we do get a move up and then we get a sideways movement, but the sideways movement, see that blue moving average? That's my 52. The time is like an energy source, right? And sometimes we can only get a little sideways movement. That's like a little sideways movement, but we haven't had enough time there to refuel. I find if we do get a bit of a sideways movement to the moving average and we start to break above the highs, then we're likely to go for another move again. Look at this here, right? So let me zoom right in here. So I'll show you. See this here? So straight up, sideways to the moving average, and then we had another nice move off there. See that through there? So this is to me, is what's called, this is the Gann trading strategy I use. And again, I call it the Gann trading strategy, but it's really utilizing two different things, right? And you notice with every single chart, when you see every single chart, you notice that, when you look at a chart, the market goes through different ways, right? It'll go up, it'll go down, it'll go up, it'll go down. We have these stair-stepping phases. So the number one sort of strategy, again, that I learned from Gann, and I've utilized it in my trading more and more and more, is what's called the L-shaped trading pattern. And it's utilizing price and time. Because when we go through a price phase, right? Once again, if we go through some more examples here for a minute, and I'll just show you some. Here's an example here, right? More time than price. What do we have here? This is a strong move up. That's what? That's our price phase. Then we went through what? Went sideways, sideways, sideways. See all that long sideways? That's called a long time. Now remember, when time is happening and the sideways is happening, this is the market refueling. It's fueling, resetting, refueling to go for the next move. Remember I said before we go through that there? Then what happened? We broke above the high there, and then look at the move that happened afterwards. So this is what's called, again, this is a very simple version. There's a lot of things that Gann teaches that I don't use, square of 9, moon cycle, so on and so forth. But this is the number one type of trading pattern. And when you start to use it, you start to see it what? Everywhere. Look at this here. Up. See all that sideways movement? We get a break above, and then look at that nice move happen through there. Right, that's the hourly chart. This is even the 4-hour chart through here. Up, sideways, and a nice move from there. And this happens again and again and again. See it through here? Right, now once again, use the moving average, but what I'm looking for is there's the price phase, then we go through a time phase. I want to see a time phase first, because time is when the market's had time to refuel, relax, take it easy, right? And then we actually break above it and we go for a move. Same thing through here as well too. So I wanted to really walk you through this here, because this to me right now, when looking at Gann stuff, has been an absolute game changer for me. An absolute game changer. Now, again, whenever we don't always get the pattern, right? But whenever we do start to get what's called the L-shaped pattern, as you can see here, down, across, we typically get a move. Look at this here, down. Look, see that through there? Look at that nice move off that through there. We typically get a really, 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 really nice move. And this is basically the foundations to my success in the market here, right? Look at this one through here. That's the 52 moving average. Market ran up, market went sideways. Then we had a breakaway bar through there. And then look at the nice move up, right? So this is, for me, when looking at a Gann trading strategy or looking at a trading system from here, this has been the number one thing that I've used in my trading for so long, and it's been so amazing from here. So traders, if you like this sort of stuff, then this is what I want you to do right now. There's that link in the description now. If you go to johnsfreegift.com, that's a book that I'm giving away based off the mindset, based off WD Gann and the legends. But also I'm going to be sending you a free trading course as well too that goes a lot more into this sort of stuff, the Gann and the phases and so on and so forth. Or if you like it, if you like this sort of stuff and you want to get more coaching, more hand-holding, then go to getjohnshop.com. There should be a link in the description there, but go to getjohnshop.com and there you'll be able to apply for an elite group that you're with me every single day. Speak to you soon.